Hans Baga.
I shouldn't be here. This wasn't even the course I wanted, nor the school I planned to go to. My original plan was to take BS Math in UP Diliman. Ever since I was a kid, I always been fascinated by Sipnayan. But anyways, I already made it here. Um, to consider others, we will not be here if our parents and our siblings didn't endure every hardship along us, just so we could graduate. Mapa, salamat po sa pag-intindi. Sa mga wait lang po, sa mga utos na di ko nasunod, dahil lang gumagawa ko ng mga school works. And at the same time, with other parents, salamat po sa inyong mga pagtitiis. Ngayon po, mga engineer na po ang mga anak nyo. Maraming salamat
Yes,
po
thank you, Lord.
sa walang sawang suporta. Congratulations po, may mga engineer na po kayo.
Thank you.
We will not be here without our friends and classmates who walk this journey with us. Sa lahat ng mga masayang experience, sa mga group works, and other things. We will not be here without the help of the Almighty One. Sa lahat ng moments na to, gusto ko nating sumuko. Sa mga panahong halos wala na tayong lakas, He carried us. May we have trained hard, but He gave us strength to endure. The wisdom to understand and the grace to keep going. Sa Kanya, ang pinakamataas na papuri. I would not be here if I did not meet my co-quizzers and my closest friends, especially sila Albert, Luis, Jason, Kevin, Alex, and Tony. Without their help, we will not have won the competitions we have joined. Salamat sa pagtitiis sa walang sawang pagsama sa trainings kahit napakarami na nating ginagawa. I will not be here with the help of my girlfriend, Sai. Thank you for taking care of me. Lalo at madalas na ako may sakit. Salamat sa pagsama lagi sa inyo. I will not be here without the guidance of our professors, especially Engineer Timothy Amado. He shaped me into who I am today. Starting from the first year, in QuizBiz, I didn't just win medals. I gained lessons for life. He didn't just teach me engineering. He taught me how to live with integrity and passion. So yun nga. Let me borrow a line from the review center I am attending. Sabi nga nila, champions are not born, they are properly trained. As engineering students, engineering graduates, we know this better than anyone. Our journey wasn't defined by instant success, but by years of discipline, problem solving, sleepless nights, and learning from failure. It was a rigorous training, both in mind and character, that molded us. We didn't just study equations or build projects. We trained to think critically, adapt under pressure, and create solutions that matter. Today, we graduate not just as engineers, but as champions of resilience, purpose, and hope. Gusto ko rin pong bigyan pagkilala ang mga kapwa nating estudyanteng sabay na nagtatrabaho habang nag-aaral. Ako mismo, naging part-time tutor, at alam kong hindi biro ang pag-manage ng oras, energy, at responsibilities natin. E paano pa kaya yung mga full-time workers
Yes.
na ginapang yung araw-araw para lang makapasok, makapag-aral, at makapasa? Sa mga working students, saludo po ako sa inyo. Hindi lang kayo graduate, kayo ang tunay na huwaran at ng tiyaga at sakripisyo. Kung may champions are properly trained, kayo naman, champions are also overworked but never gave up. If I remember correctly, lahat naman tayo dito, di ba, nakapag-take ng feedback and control systems. Taas kami sa lahat ng pumasa na. Joke lang. Siyempre, pasada na tayong lahat, di ba? Kasi nandito na tayo. Medyo corny, pero bear with me. Hindi talaga ako magaling magsalita, pero kung may hambing ko ang buhay sa favorite subject ko, why not? Let's imagine life like an underdamped system. The transient response is our phase of struggle. Pagsusumikap natin para pumasa sa mga subjects na mahirap o puno ng requirements. The overshoots and undershoots represent our highs and lows. Those moments we thought we'd fail, but kept going anyway. And in the end, we reach our state response. Today, our graduation, nandito na tayo, naabot na natin. Again, congratulations, Batch Hiraya. Some of us will now take board exam. Some of us will work, support our families, and some will pursue further studies. But wherever life takes us, may we stay strong, stay grounded, and never lose sight of our dreams. Ad astra per astra, sabi nga nila, through hardships to the stars. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang mga bagong engineers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Baga. And again, congratulations. Once again, let's give him a round of applause for Mr. Baga. And now, ladies and gentlemen, every year, our TUP president gives our special awards. For the President Choice Award, may I call in the TUP President, Dr. Reynaldo P. Ramos.
Talagang special award ito, no? The President Choice Award. So during the Appreciate 2025, I already mentioned that finalist of my top choice. So ngayon po, yung top 5, the 2 runner-ups, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. You might be surprised, yung mga awardees na tayo doon, di ba? But this time, with my own choice, ano ba yung aking criteria? Applicability, adaptability, real-life solution to our adapters or communities, innovative and creativeness ng ating mga mag-aaral. So this time, parangalangan ko po yung 5.